How you guys doing? Are hearing good? Good night, morning, good night, good evening. Already hit the like button? Yeah. How many have the likes, man? If there's anything wrong, you guys let me know. Oil, if a gap up, I am 0 gaps. Little gap down, closing. Happy Sunday, my friends. Happy Sunday. Caliber Callan, good afternoon. Alexander, hello, my friends. Fima, how are you doing? In Poland right now? Nice. Which city are you in? I'm very good. Wallow, hello. Wallow, I'm not Pasha, I'm Leo. But I'm from Brazil and Pasha is from the United States. I'm Leo, Pasha is the other dude that owns the channel. Stanley, how you doing? Gold is going to sell, mark my words. Okay, let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay. Buy or sell? I don't know. Have a good night, Fima. Have a good night. Trading pennies, how you doing? Anto, good evening, good evening. How you guys doing? Welcome aboard. You're here is because you like us. If you like us, hit the like, my friend. Oh, no, you know. If you know, you know, my brother. Today's today's Father's Day. Full crunch is short. The I guess I'll take the Sunday orb, you know? I guess I'll take the Sunday orb. We have Canadian CPI. We have today or tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah, not much. We don't have much, my friend. Nice.
Colombia leftist Cepeda ranks second with 47.8% of votes as half of ballot boxes counted. Guangdong True Health Medical Technology Development offers 3.6 million H shares in global offering.
80 points drop. Mm-hmm. How are you guys doing, guys? How are you guys? How are you guys?
Jiangxi Institute of Biological Products Inc. Maximum bid price under global offering 13 Hong Kong dollars and 6 cents per H share.
Curando essa venda aqui. Oh, I started speaking Portuguese, sorry. Holding this short to 474. Almost there. For a 50 pointer. How is gas? How is JPY? I don't know. Surprised to see it dropping like this. I don't know, Jax. A lot of questions all at once. A lot of questions, my friend. How are you guys? Coming in, please hit the like. Let's get this live stream to 100, my friends. How was your guys' weekend? Yeah, the orb is settled. The orb is settled. Let's see which way is going to break. This is the range. We break this to the downside. The first target is at 407. 407. 420 is enough. Let's see if we can get to 420. See if we continue breaking. Like, we swept the orb to the downside. Let's see if we continue. Retail buyers stepping in right here. This should be dropping heavily. I'm getting the profits in, and I'll wait for pullbacks. I actually took a short from 535 all the way down here, so let's see. Let's try to re-enter this order block right here. I'm getting a little bit of a divergence on the 1 minute price action. I'm re-entering at 502. Let's see if we get a bounce. Get a rejection again. Yeah, this price action right here is not good because it swept lows and starting to reject in the next candle. I don't want to see that. I want to see sweeping lows and continuation. If it starts to reverse right after the sweep, you can go for a deeper pullback, you know, a bigger pullback. I guess 537 would be a nice re-entry. I guess the 9 EMA could be a nice re-entry. MES and NQ are holding a little bit. It was a nice short overall from the 535 area. Let's see if we get the tap off the 9 EMA on the one. I'm willing. Let's see how this 1 minute candle closes. If it closes green, trade will probably not be good. We got 10 points. Clean. Candle closes green, we're probably not going to see a continuation before a pullback. This little sweep of the 15-minute orb and the lack of continuation is what is catching me out. I'll probably try to re-enter on the short at any moment. I'm willing to sell higher, 537. Let's push the likes. Hit the like button, guys. Already know the drill. Yeah, on the 5 minute is this is not a good candle to see. This is not a good candle. Like, this is a rejection out of the 50-minute orb sweep. I'll try to short as close as possible to view up. Stop loss should be maximum 20 points. Let's see if I get this trade. I got close. Nota dev, try to long out of value area low for gap fill. Don't know what that means, my friend. Actually, don't know what that means. Yeah, this is a downtrend, guys. Since open is a downtrend, so I don't see longs here. Yeah, I know that is volume profile, but those things don't make sense to me. Gotta be honest. Oh my god. Do I get the fuel or not? The S&P is already trading above VWAP. Yeah, I'm tapped in on the trade. Now it's a matter of seeing if the VWAP gets taken or no. Looks like they want to swip over VWAP. Yeah, the YM is getting bought up a lot. S&P is already confidently trading above VWAP. Probably going for a deeper pullback, guys. 579. Yeah, not liking this. Okay, 20 points, 20 point stop is a normal stop. Giving back a little bit of the profits. It's getting traction as it's going up. There's a possible nice short at 580. Should buy at the bottom. Okay. Can we find sellers again or no? Okay. Try to re-enter at 580. I'll try to enter at that 5-minute order block. Hmm. You guys that are coming in, just coming in, hitting the like. Just trade micros. Hey Leo, how is it going, brother? I'm doing good, and you? Very good. Full crunch, taking shorts, okay. How was the weekend, Josh Trades? I'm trying to hold along here, aiming for that order block. It's holding view up above, so I want to stay long as trading above view up, you know. And if it breaks view up to the downside, I'll probably jump in on the shorts again. But let's see what happens. Yeah. I was having a feeling that this was going to happen. Okay. Good, man. Still the weekend for me. Cooking steaks for my father-in-law. Awesome, man. Hope you have a great Sunday, my friend. Like, I think it's still early for a lot of people. To me, it's already night. You know? Short from 541. Careful. Can we push down again? This is going to do all the full sweeperoo. Getting buyers here. I don't like this. This one micro, okay, super tight stop. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting run over a little bit. Had a nice trade. Try to take a short to see if the trend continues again. No? Have a continuation down. I'm going for the risk to reward board right now. YM looks like he wants to push down. $506, I take a little bit of the trade-off. I don't know if you have strength on the price action to do this. I have to stop if you get back to 554, just because this actually will be a higher low if the price comes back all the way up here. Let's see if he has a strength to push down 25 points. Yeah, nice candle on the YM, nice candle on the NQ. Yeah, my stop loss is at the right place, 554, more than enough for the current price action. This is basically, I'm going for a lower high, see price tries to do a new low, you know. So 20-point stop, not a big stop, very conservative. Nice risk to reward on the trade. Let's see if it goes. Little by little, looks like he wants to. Do I protect this trade? I'm going to protect this trade. It either run to the first TP or I get out of the trade. Because this candle right here is giving me the vibes that there's a lot of buyers here. And price came very close to getting traction to sweep lows. I don't want to see it coming back to my entry. Especially with 3 micros, I don't want to see that. Gets back to my entry, I'm getting out of the trade. It's to run down. Yeah, it's getting a lot of buyers over here. Look. Oil is kind of dropping too. I'll probably be taken out of the trade at break even. Then I look for a new one. It would be very nice if this candle just runs down. Very cool. The YM is getting bought up. Guess I could deleverage, but looks like he wants to run down. Yeah, I'm going to deleverage one here. Still protect my trade. Deleverage even more. This last one I'm going to hold. Guess would be wiser to take all the profits, but if it runs, I'll probably be in a very good spot to hold for a long time. I just don't want to see price coming back to my entry. Go with another banger. Sometimes you get something. But if I didn't got this stop loss right here, I would be in a very nice profits already for the day. Yeah, at this time, what I don't want to see is price developing in forward and coming back to my entry. I don't want to see that. That's why I'm taking profits. I'm keeping this runner in case it runs down. I think it's a good payoff. Yeah, but like judging by this candle right here, this 1 minute candle, we have a lot of buyers. Like look at the wick and look how difficult these 1 minute candles are. Like the amount of difficulty they having to push down, you know. Let's see. I guess my break even is at the right place. Well, if I was aiming for like 20 points, would be enough already. I would have gotten like the 25 points. Little sweep of this previous low. Price looks like it's stuck at the moment. Actually, this 1 minute candle, everything that happens inside this, like a sideways market, until it breaks, up or down is sideways market. So I guess I should be taking profits here. It's a little bit of a hopium, thinking that it's going to break down. Yeah, the YM is showing strength. I'll probably take like, okay, so recover like 90 bucks. Do I always trade on the 1 minute? No. Like I don't trade in any specific time frame. I just, depending on how the market is, I conduce. I try to conduct the trade. In a slow time frame, in a slow market, I try to do it on the 1 minute. The market is bigger, I try to do it on the 5, on the 2 minutes. But I'm aware, I'm looking at, on the other screens, I'm looking at the 5 minute. Like the main reason I took the trade was because of the 5 minute actually. Like I'm just, what you guys are seeing is the 1 minute, you know. Yeah, judging by what is happening right now, if we break above 550, this is a new low. And we'll probably be looking for something like this. Like a trend line to the upside, you know? So as of right now, we actually have a feeling of a sideways market. New 15 closing. Let's see if this shorts develops. Just judging by what happened before at the same price level. A little spike down. Where's that spike down? Guess we'll get a spike up. Guess the orb, if you consider the sweep as the entry, probably is getting stopped. He's getting stopped out. Getting to that, it's getting to that order block. Let's see if I can get this. The two-way trade. Oh my god, the chat is dead, man. The likes, guys. Five-day relative volumes at 0.15. Evans market open, even lower than 0. Right it open. Okay. Now that I'm holding longs, price is going nowhere. Squeeze up, man. Just a little squeeze. 10 minutes away from the next 1 hour candle. Yeah. Price does everything but run into my TPs, man. Price does everything but that. Price does everything but that. Any good trades? You guys did took any good trades? Short, let's find a new bottom. I don't know. Like a higher low on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute, on the 2 minutes. That's why I was trying to go long, but is the top of the orb at the price at previous close, or is it at the top of the 50? Huh? The top? The top of the orb is 616, my friend. Whatever that is 616. Then right here on this green line is the top of the orb. 616.75. Yeah, price will probably wait for the next 1 hour candle, you know? Price is probably waiting for the next 1 hour candle. Today is Father's Day in the US? Talk to me. Yeah, everyone at the pool? Oh, yeah. Yeah, congrats for any dads on the chat. Happy Father's Day to all of you. For cooking out, yeah. No time to gamble on prop firms. No time to gamble on prop firms. Asia sessions where it always seems to get funded somehow. Nice, man. If you do good on Asia session, keep doing it. I guess that the orb failed. The sweep of the orb failed. Yeah. Gotta stop at 547. New 1 hour candle in the 3 minutes. Yeah, guys, thank you for the likes. If you're coming in, hit the like button. Let's push this forward. I guess my financial off. Like, I'm waiting for this short all the whole night. We'll start without me. I won't believe I will get faked out again. Will I get faked out again? What is the difficulty to just like drop, man? What is the difficulty? No? For once, like just run to my TP. For once. Can you run to my TP for once? The low of the orb? Or it needs to be all this. Okay. Like now, let's see. can sweep the low again. Please. Yeah, so it's probably 534. I guess it's good enough. Do I take profits? Let's look at this 1 minute candle to see how this closes. If it closes like a very green candle or a very red candle, I guess it's good. Yeah, I'm taking profits. I don't want to see it sweep and stop. I need to sweep and go and run, you know, because then it can just happen what happened here, you know. I can do the same thing that did here, like sweep and rejection. I don't want to see that. So yeah, I didn't get the entry at 580, man. That's what's actually the worst thing. But we caught like a nice 50 points to the downside here. Nice short, thank you. 315 coming, I guess. What's up, TP, bro? What's your TP? Oh, I'm already out. I think 520 is a very possible spot, but what I don't want to see, it's what happened right here, you know? Like sweeping lows and rejection. I don't want to be part of this. Like it needs to run. It needs to sweep and run. I want to be stuck in a trade. But 50 points is more than enough, guys. This look was like a good 50 pointer. Okay. So this was a good 50 pointer, my brother. Guess I can go to the next account. Try and hit profit target. Nice shorts also. Nice short. Did you take it? Did you took the short? Actually going to take this trade right here. Just to see. Just to see. Oh, already got stopped out of break. No problem. $20 stop just to see if this is a fake out again. He sweeps the low. Fair. Okay, gonna stop at break even because I'm not crazy. Does it run? Do I peel it off? Peeling it off. Nice long. Let's see if we get the full pullback to the 90 MA. 516. I'll probably get out of the trade. Like this is what I didn't want, was the sweep and not in zero continuation. That is what I did not want. Actually, I'll lock in at 100 bucks on this trade. I'll lock in. Okay. 20 something points overall. I'm going to risk it. The 520 is a target that I really like, and I'm going to risk it. Like, this rejection is what I was interested in seeing. Now I can't believe that we're going to drop a little bit more. And we actually have targets to the downside with the fibs. So the first target with the fibs is 371. Like, if this continues, maybe this trade stops me out. I just give back what I made. $565. I'm going to take one of the ad. And all looking pretty. Can you get a little sweep to the downside again? Yeah, doesn't look like you want to. A fake out again. The fake out again. Fake out again. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! When I did not believe in the trade anymore, it dropped. Oh no! I'm looking at the 5-minute. Depending on how the 5-minute closes, I'm longing because I got a nice divergence. Depending on how the 5-minute closes, I'm going long. To break this candle to the upside, I'm going long already. Oh man. Up to 100, Alexander. Nice, man. Congrats. Ooh, one like away from 50, guys. Who will be the 50th like? Who will be? Oof. No bueno. Oof. No bueno. Heavy sellers. So what's Financial Juice doing here? Financial Juice doing actually? I'm not hearing anything. There's no way there's not sellers here. Man, I was on the right trade. I was on the short, man. Drop more. Yeah, the 5 minute looks like very, very bearish. This candle, if it closes like that, we'll probably be the confirmation on the orb to the downside.
USTR. Jameson Greer to visit India for talks on US-India joint statement in bilateral trade agreement discussions.
I was on the right trade, man. Oh my god. Risky long on this order block right here. It just formed. I'll try to take to 492, but risky. Risky. Yeah, a lot of sellers. And I got all messed up on that go short, go long, go short, go long.
Afternoon, Leo.
Good afternoon, my brother.
I see you going short.
Sellers out of nowhere here. Will they get instantly bought up? I will regret not closing. What will
Is it
happen?
because of the Iran stuff?
I don't know, man. Actually, don't know. Looks like the short is picking up traction. Recovering a little bit.
You think it goes down to 390?
What level?
390?
I'm the last candle, the last TP that I have on this trade is 398. So maybe the target that I have is 372. The first target, 372
Roger.
on this drop. Filter going to watch the World Cup game, holding till 350, 330. Nice. I think it's Uruguay's playing, man. 2-1. Pat, have I looked at order flow before? I guess not. Low gets still short from 512. Nice short. I'll probably take a quick break just to eat. Back at some point. Let's see how this trade finishes. Before we finish this trade, you guys are coming in right now. Please hit the like. Let's push this stream forward. One micro warrior on this 25Ks. Yeah, man. Know how it goes, my brother. You know how it goes.
Let's see, is it gonna try to jump from here? Is it gonna reverse, or is it gonna dump?
Yeah, I think we can do a mega sweep to 398. Don't know why I'm getting that specific on 398, but the price kind of stopped. It's kind of stalling right here. But the sellers are coming out of nowhere, actually. Like, out of nowhere, they just start, like, mega selling. I'm taking this profit. I'm going to eat real quick and I'll be back.
Roger, I'll be back to it later.
Sterling slips 0.23% to $1.3207 in early trade. Leftist Cepeda, initial Colombia presidential outcome not final. Leftist Cepeda, campaign will challenge results at 33,000 ballot boxes. Await final Colombia presidential vote count before acknowledging results.
I'm back. Nice target, nice. How are you guys doing? I guess Mr. Piotr got his target. Revenant, how you doing, my brother? Target hit at 368. Next target is 308. And there's a mega order block on the 1 hour starting at 277. Revenant, happy Sunday, my friend. Hope everything's doing good for you. Yeah, I guess a pullback is probably in order here. This was any type of news or no? Good weekend, played some golf with friends. Yeah.
Japan Finance Minister
Not that
Katayama
good also.
declines to comment on particular forex rates.
Yeah, I think this is a very good spot for a pullback.
Japan Finmin Katayama,
For a
ready to
long.
act suitably on currency fluctuations whenever necessary.
Can we get about to 400? Looking for a 25 pointer to get back a break even on this account today. A quick 25, man. That a lot to ask. Just close the gap in the 5-minute. We got halfway there. Wrong level, yeah. Pull back, 25 points pull back. Can we get that? New 15 minutes, closing into 1 minute, probably. We got a failed pullback on this candle, There was zero continuation here and here. This one happens, like, same thing happens. I don't even know if he's going to close a candle, you know? Where is daily view up, Mohaj? What level? Oh my god. Like I don't want much, man. Like I'm a simple man. I just need like 25 points. More than enough. Know what I mean? 60? No. Yeah, there's a... Yeah. Guess we can get a little 25 points pullback, man. Like, it's not that much. Okay. Not because of 3 points. I'll be like missing out on the trade. Nice 20 something points. What I'm afraid of is that sellers just start again, you know, out of nowhere. Because if you look what they did, like here, you know, green candle and instant sellers again. Here, the same thing. No? Little green candle, instant sellers. Little green candle, instant sellers. Don't trust this. Actually, don't. Yeah, the next target is 310, I guess. 310. And right around 310, we get 1 hour 200 DMA. So this is a very good level. 310. Man, like they are already taking parts on. Whoever's coming in, guys, please hit the like. Let's push this 100. Oh, I actually joined this. I'm joining this. Just one micro though. I'm not going to over leverage here. I don't want to go back all the way like to minus 200 again. Simple price action trade, like wait for a new low, stop at the previous high. It works, it works. Doesn't, it doesn't. Simple price action trade. Judging by how the 5 is go, it's yeah, 315 is the next target. I'll try to hold to there. Try it. As well, try it. This is the first 5-minute candle of this 15 minutes as well. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 15 minutes in a row. 6 15 minutes in a row. At some point, we're going to get a green 15-minute candle. 15 minutes candle. One hour EMA 200, yeah. Yeah, I'm all hedge. Agreed. Agreed, my friend. Can we get a miracle and just drop 50 points? Clean 50 points? We're back in green at this level. I hear sellers. I feel like the S&P's heavier, you know? The heavy one. It's hurting. Aye. Can we get a break? Can we get a breakdown? I'm hearing the sellers. I'm putting this a break even, guys. This is a second rejection out of 350. If it goes back up, I don't want to be part of this.
Colombia right-wing De La Espriella, US President Donald Trump congratulated him on election win. DOJ Deputy Governor Jimeno to join lower house budget panel, 000038 GMT, Parliament source says.
Yeah, we actually are in need of a pullback. I don't know what you guys think, but we actually are in need of a pullback. Welcome aboard, guys. Here for the first time, hit the like, subscribe. How you guys are doing? Any good trades? Pat, you want to trade but you hit your daily TP? That's good, man. Like if you hit your TP, that's good. Asia 3 minutes. Let's see if this volatility is good enough. Now Trump will jump into it. We have a deal. Yeah. Let's see if we get volatility on this Asia Open. I would be down to go long if we switch down or sweep down over it. Like if it starts jumping up, no, but like if it starts squeezing down, I will be okay going long for volatility.
South Korea June 1 to 20 trade surplus, provisional $17.5 billion, Customs Agency. South Korea's June 1 to 20 imports rise 23.2% year-on-year, Customs Agency.
Will I regret this trade or not? Asia Open, Mango. Will I regret this trade or not? $5.29, man. Man, heavy buyers. Let's see if the view up gets defended. It is actually very strong. Hope we get a bounce. If we don't, I'll probably be taking out a daily loss limit. And it's still getting buyers. Man, bad trade. Still hearing buyers, man. How crazy is that? Yeah, daily loss limit. Daily loss limit on this account. That's so bad, man. Why, man? Why out of nowhere? What happened? Nowhere. Yeah, I just doubled down and doubled down on the trade. My bad. Double down and double down and double down on the trade. A mistake. It's not out of nowhere. Asia 4-hour candle brings volume. Yeah, but like this much? Yeah, I was undisciplined on that trade. Out of nowhere. Do you guys see how that happens out of nowhere? Undisciplined out of nowhere. Like, thank God we trade like multiple accounts. Because
Leo, that's a massive push.
yeah,
Holy moly.
very big one.
200-point push, boss. Insane. This came back and I'm like, what?
Yeah, I guess this is a change in the trend direction. Like, I would be surprised if we start pushing down all the way again.
I wouldn't be surprised either, to be honest. Let's say somebody took that with like 5 micros, right? Just from right here, from the bottom. That's about a $1,400 trade right there. 5 micros, by the way. That's insane.
think it's just short covering, maybe. But it's what it's like. It coincides with the opening of Asia markets. You know, it coincides with that.
I'm gonna try a risky short at 493. I think that's where I have it at. Four. Yeah, 493 where I'm shorting at. I didn't hear nothing about a Iran deal, so I'm guessing it's something related to something different.
Yeah, maybe it's just like for some reason markets in Asia are going long. You know.
Yeah. Is there any? Okay, 493. Come on, push down all the way down. This pushes down all the way. I'm happy, very happy. Okay, I'm 15 micros short at 493, boys. I'm gonna risk. I don't know, how much do I want to risk on this? How's oil doing, Leo?
Sideways.
What happened?
Man, this is look like it was going to break below view up again, man. I cannot believe this.
Okay, I'm only gonna risk 50 bucks on this trade. I am pretty much, yeah, that's all I'm gonna risk on it. Wanna see how low it can go. I really hope I don't get wicked out right here. Come on, there we go. Okay, I'm breaking even 100.
Dollar yen rises 0.11% to 161.475.
Okay, I'm breaking
Two South
even
Korean
300,
ships
Leo.
traverse Strait of
trade.
Hormuz after US-Iran
Push
signed
down. I needed
ceasefire
to push
agreement.
down right here
Media.
at 475. I needed to break that area. If it can, it's a solid trade. I'm breaking even 375. All right, I'm taking it. I'm taking 520 bucks. Let's go.
Nice. Great.
That was on the fun. That was a risky trade. Very risky trade. Holy moly. Somebody said watch 30-minute 200 EMA, Leo, in the chat. Oh yeah. I mean,
Okay.
it broke through and then we broke right straight through again though. Look at it. And then 15-minute, we're technically under on the 200. We're under the 200 EMA on the 15-minute. But on 30-minute, we're right there right now, I think. Woo! I might try to take a payout, Leo, on this Top Step account.
Nice, man. What we're here for.
Yes, sir, we are. I think I gotta wait until end of day, I believe.
Probably. I'm maintaining a longer view up. If we push higher, feel a little bit of buyers. was a heavy push.
That was a very, very heavy push, yes. I wouldn't be surprised if we push down from here. You know what I mean? If we break that 440 level, it is a possibility. But unless we go higher around at like 630, break that VWAP, and then reject all this back down, especially in a New York or London session.
Yeah, far from where
More or less, yeah, or somebody knows something.
Need to know what's going to happen in the next 30 minutes, brother, not in the next 10 hours.
All right. I don't blame you. Ooh, I thought that would have been a nice short though, to be honest, not gonna lie. Man, what is this volatility?
South Korea June 1 to 20, exports rise 60.4% year-on-year, Customs Agency. China PBOC likely to set yuan midpoint at 6.7733 per dollar, estimate.
I'll try to take it to 531.
Yeah.
Maintaining long at VWAP. I just took something off at 505. Let's see if we get there.
It's too strong for any like continuation to the lower side though. So let's see what it does.
Maybe. Looks like they are accumulating at this level. Man, thank God we trade prop firms, man. Like, you make a mistake on one account, just jump to the next one and do the right thing, you know? I think I can get to 531.
I think you should be able to, boss.
Anywhere above 520, I'm already good.
I don't see why not. You won't be able to go. Oh, there it goes.
Let's go. 531. Profit target hit. Okay, nice trade.
Nice. Let's go.
Yeah, nice way to recover. Man, I hit max loss limit in one account. I'm still bummed out about that.
Yeah.
That whole push up, I believed too much in one short. Just got doubling down, you know.
I mean, to be honest, it's not a normal market move right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It really isn't. That's like out of nowhere. Even on the 15-second, if you look at it, all green candles, no reversal, no like red candles, no selling, nothing. Just straight up. It's like a New York Open in a way.
Bet, are they funded? Yes, my brother. Yeah, like Asia is a mystery, man. Sometimes you get very cool movement, sometimes you don't. Out of nowhere, a lot of volume comes in. Like, no, it's a mystery. I guess this is actually the order block right here. But I'm not. Every order block that I took was shite, like the British would say. Seven PM Tokyo opens. It happens a lot. Those pops or drops, yeah. How is silver holding? Will it hit 100 next month? What do you think, brother? The last time I looked at silver was like months and months ago. You're asking me if silver is going to hit 100 next month? Why silver should hit 100 next month, my friend? Why? I don't think silver is coming back to those highs for a long time, man. I actually don't think it. Neither silver or gold are going back to those highs in a long time, my friend. That's my opinion on silver and gold at the moment. You're coming in,
Yeah,
guys.
they had their
Please hit the
chance.
like. What's up, Mingo?
I said the silver market, that was insane though when it was pushing
Oh
too.
yeah, man.
The
Do you
high
remember?
volatility, the gold. Yes, I remember. I was trading silver too.
Yeah.
I made money off of it, and it was just like, bro, how is it moving like on gold? It was moving $3, $4, $5, $600 in a day
Yeah,
some days,
silver
and
was
it's like,
so big, man.
what?
So big.
And silver moving 10, 15, $20, and it's like, bro, that is insane. And the contracts on silver is much more expensive, which is even more frightening.
Yeah. Like the micro silver was big. Trading the full
Oh,
mini was
exactly.
crazy. Like, and I took
Yeah, I
some
traded full mini.
man,
That was
I
insane.
actually owe some payouts to silver, man. Like I got some nice profits. I lost some accounts too, but life. But I owe some payouts to silver. Low and steady, man. Low and steady wins the race. Thank you, Leo. I was just curious after the last FOMO when it went from 71 to 65. Yeah. I don't think neither silver or gold are going to go to those highs again for a long time, my brother.
US Secretary of State Rubio just called Colombian President-elect Della Espriella to congratulate him on election win.
Okay. Yeah, price is stuck right here. Now.
Maybe one micro short on 512. I'm gonna try 511, one micro short.
Yeah, the 5-minute is holding at the 50 MA. That's a good thing, because if it actually holds here, we can see price dropping all the way down again. You know? Going long again. 15-point stop. And there's a break even. I don't want to risk this anymore. It either gets to my TP or no. Gets to the TP, I'll probably be on profit target for the day. Account 2. Tomorrow I will need only 3 more accounts to profit target.
Nice.
Stalling a little bit too much. Okay. Gotta break even. Okay, guys, hit the like. Let's push this to at least 60. Let's see if you guys can do that. Be a good sport and hit that like.
BOJ Deputy Governor Jimeno, oil price pass-through to downstream goods advancing fairly quickly.
I'm gonna take the short at this order block. Like, this is the only actual order block. Like, let's see. 20-point stop. If we get 20 points out of this. It's so difficult to get order blocks filled. Hey. Man, what is up with that? Okay. If I can get like 20 points and be at profit target. If not, like tomorrow. Ooh, oil is dropping out of nowhere.
BOJ Deputy Gov Jimeno,
I don't like
recent
this.
easing of Middle East tensions aligns with April outlook.
Don't blame him.
Unpredictable.
BOJ Deputy Governor Jimeno, easy monetary conditions likely to continue.
Little pullback, 20 points. Little pullback, 20 points, maybe. Little pullback, 20 points. No, if you know, you know. 503 order block holds. Oh, yeah, it actually gave a nice long out of this. Oh, yeah, 10 points we got. Like, can we get 20? Wait, yeah, I'm going to put this stop and break even, man. It's not worth to keep risking.
One sec, I'll be back.
Yeah, if I have taken 10 points, I will
Deputy
be.
Gov Jimeno, delaying adjustment in monetary easing risks price overshoot.
Yeah, now. Oh, I don't like this anymore.
BOJ Deputy Governor Himino, central bank to closely watch effects of higher policy rates on firms, families.
Try to short 200 EMA on the 5 with the order block, with the opening price. Maybe we get something out of it. Maybe. What you guys think? A good trade or crash trade? Jacks, I'm on the green side. Yeah, I just messed up on one account, but thank God we trade prop firms. It is going to close the gap. Yeah, maybe. Goodbye, Jacques. Okay. Bye. Trying to get a short at 580. Got very close and it's rejecting like 6 points away. Have a good night, Jacques.
Japan PM Takaichi expect BOJ to closely collaborate with government, implement monetary policy properly to reach 2% inflation goal.
Yeah, guys, guess this is it. I guess this is it. Can we get this fuel or not? Yeah, I guess this is it, guys. Yes, this is it. Not feeling this. Hi, Zan. Hello, hello. How you doing, bro? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Not bad. Trying to enter a short at 580. How you doing, Faizan? How was the weekend, man? David Joe, so Leo is the Asia Open? Yeah, man, this is Asia. The price is ticking. Whole push here was some markets at Asia opening. No? Guess I won't get my short filled at 580. It has slowed down a lot. It was good. I was in green for 5 days last week, so you're happy. Congratulations, my friend. That consistency, it's not easy. It is not easy, my brother. Congratulations. That consistency is not easy. Five, 6, 8.
Alright, I'm back, Leo.
Just in time, bro.
What happened?
Yes, nothing.
Oh,
Just
fair
in
enough.
time
My
to see
average is
nothing.
534. Fair enough,
554?
yeah. No, 534.
534, okay.
Yeah, 2 micros. If it starts dumping below like 550-ish, then maybe a little reversal. If not, then I think we push a lot higher, at least towards the highs of today of 616, 620.
Nice.
You know what I mean?
Actually
But I
know
feel
what
like
you
it's
mean.
gonna dump.
Yeah, I'm
I
trying to get in at 580 on the shore, but it's kind of stalling, so
Yeah, I'm gonna try to break even if I can, or at least take like a $50-$60 loss. I don't mind. It was worth the shot though. I thought it would have tried to reverse after that like double top in a way, but it didn't. It just kind of pushed up a lot higher. It's like, oh well, stuff happens.
yeah. I think this is it, man. Probably 2 hours and 40 minutes into the stream. We did what we gotta do, what we had to do on Sunday Open. Guess I'm calling it a day, man.
Roger that. You have a good day. I'll see you in the morning probably, or later today.
Let's see if I can join this short, man. You guys. Not
You
going
really wanna
anywhere.
Yeah, it's just kind of stuck. See if this 5-minute turns bearish, so that's what I want. Like, there's no, like, it's just kind of getting stuck here. I'm gonna try to break even if I can, though.
Harmonized,
Oh, well.
harmonized cacophony. I gotta be honest with you. I did not understood like 3 or 4 words that you said right there. Use simpler words, my brother. English is my second language. Help me out. Too many fancy words.
No. Pull that thesaurus out, Leo. Those work.
Help a
Start
brother
watching
out.
Sesame Street, man. Right?
Oh, now you said like in simple terms, man. Will and Q go up on a like
Or
book
down.
candle? Okay.
Okay, my concern right now, Leo, on the 14 EMA, right, on the 1 minute, it has not dropped. It has not dropped below it right now. So this is mainly gonna be, since that push, it hasn't dropped below it.
But yeah, like it's holding, it's
So
maintaining a bull trend
yeah,
easily.
even ES. So let's see, is this gonna be the catalyst to push it down, or is it gonna be the catalyst to push it back up? You know what I mean, right here. That looks more bullish than anything, though. This looks more like a bull
Yeah,
flag in a way.
like that push up on the switch of the hour, like it changed the momentum of the price action. Like we're pulling up now.
Let's see.
So harmonize, I guess overnight we'll see NQ pushing up, judging by what I'm seeing now, especially because we are trading above the 921 and VWAP, and we just started trading above the 50 MA. So like judging by what I'm seeing now, I would guess that we start seeing NQ pushing higher overnight, but who knows. Like the switch of the hour, this green candle right here, like it changed the character of the day, of the intraday. So yeah, you you will get your 4C unmitigated throbbing on NQ, whatever that means. Go ahead, Omega, sorry.
Nah, I think we're gonna see that push up all the way to the highs today. Doesn't look like this. Pretty much just bounced off the 14 EMA on the 1 minute, and yeah, we're pretty much just sending it now at this point. So yeah, higher. Yeah, short would have been nice around 590, 600 area, but let's see what happens here.
Stalling so much to get there that when it actually gets there, I won't like the shorts anymore.
Nah, yeah, I get you.
You are going to do the 7 a.m. Yes, Dan, I will be back for the 7 a.m. stream. Hope you guys come back as well. If it's still like too early, I hope you guys woke up like 3-4 a.m. and come back to the stream.
I'll probably end up seeing you around the stream in the morning if you are gonna be on. I'll be at work by then.
Oh yeah. Yatin, Leo bro, you're online at this time. Yeah, like Sunday open. It's 6:11 a.m. here in India. Ooh. Okay, so you're 10 hours almost.
Yeah, they're pretty ahead. Always
9
10.
hours, 8 hours, what it is? Hours. Pretty ahead. Thank you, Fizan. See you, my friend. See you. Take care. Guys, I'm not getting the short out of this 580, so I guess I'll call it a day. Harmonize your long 10 minis, okay? Good luck. Good luck. Thank you very much for joining. It was a pleasure.
Yeah,
See you tomorrow, my brother. I'm jumping out of the Discord right now.
Take care, peace.
Guys on the chat, thank you very much for joining us. It was a slower stream today. Not a lot of people show up. I guess it's Father's Day, so you might as well enjoy that. Too early for a lot of people. See you guys. Yeah, happy Father's Day for anyone that is already a father. Have you, Ned? Thank you, my friend. Everyone that joined. Mr. Dan the Poor Trader. We will be back tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. for the pre-market show. We will probably continue the live stream up until Pasha comes back from Bible study. He'll be at Bible study tomorrow, so we'll probably start the stream at 7 a.m. and we go like up until what it is, like noon or something like that. Leo, the code Pasha isn't working as advertised. Explain to me, my brother. Bible study canceled? How do you know that? 90% off with no activation fee. Where, madam? On Apex? Madam, if I would bet, I would bet that you're selecting something wrong. Read carefully what you're selecting, man. I just bought like evals and It is working with the same code. You're probably selecting something wrong. Probably. Like, read carefully what you're selecting. And yeah, what type? Like, you have to give me more info. Like, what type of account? The no activation fee ones are more expensive. They are more expensive. Maybe you're selecting one that has activation. Gotta check it. You're going for the 50K trade of 8 end of day trail 5-pack. Okay. I will log in on my Apex and I'll try to help you out with that Apex trader funding. Let me do this right now. Log in on the Apex. I'll try to help you out, my brother. Uh, 273. Okay. So you're buying trade of 8, my brother. Trade of 8. Okay. So the end of day trail 5-pack. Okay. So one account is $4,500. The 5-pack is $1,900. The 5-pack is $1,900. When you apply the code, it drops down to $195. So like right here, like it's 150K trade of 8 end of day trail 5-pack. It's $1,900. I just applied the code, gave you the discount, and it's $195. This one is the ones with activation fee, my friend. Okay. Yeah, it's 195 divided by 5. You're paying $39 per account. Okay. It's 195 divided by 5. So for this 195, you're getting 5 accounts. You know, that's the discount, brother. 195 is the price with discount. It ends up being like $39 per account, you know? But these accounts have activation fee. The ones with no activation fee, it's written 50K, trade of 8, no activation fee, trail, you know? It's written like this. It's you gotta read everything. Like, please read everything carefully. The ones that has 0 activation fee is written just like I just sent on the chat, you know? But regarding of the promo code, it's working. I use like small letters, small caps letter. Yeah, I use like letters like this, like I just sent. Like, okay. Thank you for using the code. You're helping the channel a lot by doing that.
Iran's foreign ministry spokesman. Negotiating delegation has ended, but technical teams will continue work. Tasnim.
Whenever you guys use the code, you're helping the channel stay alive, my friends. You think it's going for gap fill? Yeah, Ravunet, I'm just glad that I didn't take the short at 580. That's what I'm just glad. Yeah, it looks like it wants to sweep highs. Guys, if this sweep highs, it opens targets for me all the way up. The first target is all the way up at 790, guys. It's the first target. If it breaks the highs, it's 790 becomes a target, and after 790, it's 895. Okay, 790 and 895. I think it's going for a gap fill, yeah. New to the channel, what is your trading strategy? Man, I use market structure combined with
Iran's
EMAs.
foreign ministry spokesperson. Statement to be released by mediators.
I use market structure is the main thing. I use that combined with EMAs, VWAP, order blocks, Fibonacci. It's a confluence of a lot of things, and I find the right places to go long, go short, take profit, and that's it. Okay. So, judging by what price is doing, I guess that if we break highs, it opens targets to 790, guys. So I would mark out that level 790, and after that 900s basically. So guys, DP Lumbing, my pleasure, my friend, my pleasure. So guys, if you're coming in right now, hit the like. I'm ending the stream right now. Thank you very much. If you're a father, happy Father's Day. Hope you have a blessed Sunday. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. pre-market show, and we will be back tomorrow for New York session the whole day. Mr. Pasha maybe has Bible study tomorrow, so I'll be taking the stream up until probably noon or like 11:30 a.m. So we will be here trying to help you guys. Thank you very much for your company. Thank you very much for hopping in, hitting the like, subscribing to the channel. You guys are awesome as always. So see you guys tomorrow, my friends. Take care.